In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send one tab instead of a whole file in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes you may need to share only a portion of your spreadsheet with someone else while keeping the rest of the information private. Many Excel workbooks contain multiple sheets with different types of data, and sending the entire file could accidentally expose details that should remain confidential. The good news is that Excel makes it possible to isolate a single sheet and share it separately, allowing you to provide exactly the information needed without revealing anything else in the workbook. To begin, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, go to the File menu located in the upper left corner of the window. Click on File, then select New and choose Blank Workbook. This will open a brand new workbook that will act as the destination for the sheet you plan to share. Think of this blank workbook as a clean workspace that will eventually contain only the specific tab you want to send. After opening the blank workbook, switch back to the original Excel file that contains all of your data. At the bottom of the Excel window, you will see several tabs representing the individual worksheets in the workbook. Each tab corresponds to a different sheet of information. Carefully locate the specific sheet that you want to share with someone else and click on that tab to select it. Now it's time to separate this sheet from the original workbook. Click and drag the selected sheet tab downward and away from the workbook window. As you drag it, Excel will allow the sheet to detach from the original file and appear in its own separate window. This step effectively isolates that worksheet so it can be moved independently. Once the sheet is separated, drag that tab over to the blank workbook you created earlier. Hover over the new workbook window until it becomes active and then release the mouse button. Excel will insert the sheet into the blank workbook, transferring only that specific tab while leaving the rest of the original workbook untouched. After confirming that the sheet has successfully moved into the new workbook, you should save this file so it can be shared. Click File again and choose Save As. Select a location on your computer where you want to store the file, such as your desktop or a folder you frequently use. Give the file a clear name that reflects the contents of the sheet so it's easy to recognize later. Once the file is saved, you now have a new workbook that contains only the single sheet you intended to share. You can safely send this file to others, confident that the remaining sheets and sensitive information in the original workbook remain completely private. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.